Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kayam New Things. If you are new here and like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to Kayam New Things and click the notification bell for upcoming latest fashion and lifestyle content. Today's video is all about Phillips Multi Grooming 9-in-1 trimmer for men. Guys, this is a new trimmer launched in 10th March 2022. At the front of the box, of course, written Phillips brand all-in-one trimmer 3000 series and one tool, easy styling for face, hair and body. The multi grooming trimmer comes with 9-in-1 combs, length setting 0.5 to 16 mm. At the back of the box, self-sharpening blades remain sharp without oil. Some images like stubble style 1.2 mm. Self-sharpening blades and 60-minute runtime. Short beards 3 to 7 mm, edging and contouring, nose and ear trimming, hair clipping 9, 12, 16 mm and body trimming. At the side of the box, one tool styling, and guys, you can register in Phillips Groom Trip app or scan the QR code. The model number is MG3710 by 65 and the country of origin in Indonesia and design in Netherland. At the bottom right again the model number and voltage, watt, and the battery is in IMH, made in Indonesia, design in Netherlands. Friends, let's unbox the trimmer quickly. Friends, here is the quick start guide providing safety information and provides service center location. Friends, you can unlock 1 year extra warranty of card and another book we are reading later. Friends, this is the bag with Phillips brand name and put it all the accessories like combs and chargers and also the trimmer. Friends, this is a 5-watt charger, and friends, you can charge the trimmer between 10 hours to 12 hours to complete full battery charging. Friends, this is a Phillips charger, does not have the heart out charging facility and also does not have a battery level indicator, and user hardly understand what the battery percentage actually is in the trimmer, so I didn't like the charging process from Phillips. Friends, I one thing like the charger at least has one green indicator to understand when the trimmer is charging. And I don't like the trimmer because the trimmer does not have a battery level indicator. And this is a nose and ear comb to cut sensitive area of nose hair, and you can trim ear hair also. Friends, the comb of the trimmer should be applied like this. Friends, you have to open the combs of your trimmer like this. Friends, you have to pull like this to open the main blade of your trimmer. Friends, firstly you have to open the main blade of your trimmer and then you will attach the nose and ear blade of your trimmer. Friends, these are the 3 combs to trim your hair. One is 9 mm, 12 mm and the other is 16 mm. So friends, you can easily clip your hair with the help of 9mm comb, 12mm comb and 16mm comb to give a look of fashionable and stylish. And the next comb is, friends, this is a 3mm green body comb to trim your body hair. This body comb will help to trim all the hair from our body. And the next 2 comb is, friends, these are the 2 grey combs. One is 1mm and another one is 2mm, of course, to trim your beard. And the next comb is, friends, this is an adjustable comb to trim your beard. Friends, I love to say these Phillips comb are very good because we will able to trim your beard starting from 3, 4, 5 and to 7mm. Friends, we will definitely get more style of beard trimming. And the next is, friends, this is a little black brush to clean our accessories like combs and trimmer. Let me take off the plastic packet and show the trimmer design is nice and the color of the trimmer is black. Let's talk about the build quality of the trimmer. Actually, it has no slip rubber grip for improved comfort and control. Friends, the design of the trimmer is great and the build quality of Phillips company definitely improved this year of this new model trimmer. Friends, the price of Phillips multi-grooming trimmer MG3710x65 on online site like Flipkart and Amazon is about rupees 1596 and the MRP is 1995 rupees. New power button of the trimmer improves the quality of the button and we are feeling the softness of this trimmer button. Let's check the sound of the trimmer. Friends, it's very noisy. Since the dimension of the trimmer is 19:1 length, 15:1 wide and 23:8 cm height. Friends, the weight of the trimmer is 0.74 kg. Let's talk about the features of the trimmer. 9-in-1 all-in-one trimmer allows you to trim and style your face, hair and body at home with maximum precision. All your hair trimming needs at home. 7 resistant combs, 2 stable comb 1 mm and 2 mm, 1 adjustable beard combs 3 to 7 mm, 3 hair combs 9, 12 and 16 mm and 1 body comb 3 mm. Self-sharpening blades, skin friendly blade for perfect trim. Friends, tells me in the comment section below how my beard is looking. Guys, the blades are washable and of course this is a cordless trimmer. Friends, on the final conclusion of this Phillips multi-grooming trimmer 9-in-1. Friends, are you looking for a best and budget trimmer? So this Phillips trimmer is perfect for you. And friends, are you thinking about upgrading more out of this trimmer? So I suggest 2 trimmer from Phillips brand. One is Phillips multi-grooming 11-in-1 trimmer and the other trimmer is Phillips multi-grooming 13-in-1 trimmer. Or friends, your budget are low not to buy all those trimmer I had mentioned earlier, so I will be suggest to you a very low price of trimmer such as Phillips BT 112 32 skin friendly beard trimmer, Phillips BT 3203 beard trimmer or Phillips BT 3102 beard trimmer. Friends, I mentioned all the trimmer and combo packs links in the description box below in the video. That is everything I want to show you about Phillips multi-grooming 9-in-1 trimmer for men. I hope are you gonna like the video. If are you gonna like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new here to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel Kayam New Things. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.